Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation podcast.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back.
I'm really happy you're here with us today.
If you're listening to this right now, it means you want to improve your English.
And that's already a great step.
It shows that you're serious about learning.
Every time we start a new episode, I feel excited.
I know there are people like you all around the world.
People who are working hard to improve their English,
Today's topic is very important.
especially for beginners and intermediate learners.
It's something that everyone needs.
No matter where you are in your English journey,
Yes, today we're going to talk about something very basic.
but also very powerful
It's one of those skills that you'll use again and again.
throughout your life.
We're talking about how to introduce yourself confidently in English,
You might meet someone new at work,
or start a class,
or attend a party.
or join an online meeting.
In all these situations, you need to introduce yourself well.
And honestly, this is something many people struggle with.
I've seen it so many times.
Even people who have been learning English for years.
They feel uncomfortable when they need to introduce themselves.
That's true.
Even people who understand English well,
People who can read and write quite well.
they feel nervous,
When they have to introduce themselves in person,
or in front of a group.
they start thinking too much.
What should I say?
What if I make a mistake?
What if my English sounds bad?
What will people think of me?
And because of that, they either speak very fast,
Or they say very little,
sometimes they rush through their introduction,
so quickly that nobody understands them.
or sometimes they don't say anything at all.
They just smile
Say their name,
and sit down.
they miss the opportunity.
The opportunity to make a good first impression.
So if you feel nervous while introducing yourself, don't worry.
You're definitely not alone in this.
You're not alone.
Almost everyone feels this way at the beginning.
Even native speakers can feel nervous,
When introducing themselves in formal situations.
or in front of a large group.
The good news is that introducing yourself is actually a skill.
And like any skill, you can learn it.
You can get better at it with practice.
That's right.
It's not about being perfect,
It's about being clear,
being confident.
being friendly.
In this episode, we'll keep everything simple
We'll keep it clear.
and practical.
We won't overwhelm you with too much information.
No difficult grammar,
No complicated words,
no confusing rules.
just real English.
English that you can actually use in daily life
The kind of English that real people use.
when they meet each other.
And we'll speak slowly,
So you can listen
understand.
and practice with us.
Feel free to pause the audio if you need to.
Listen again,
Repeat after us.
repeat after us,
By the end of this episode, you'll feel more comfortable
and more confident,
when introducing yourself.
you'll have a clear structure to follow.
And you'll know exactly what to say,
You'll learn what information to include,
how to organize your thoughts.
and how to sound natural and friendly.
So relax
Take a deep breath.
and enjoy the conversation.
There's no pressure here.
This is a safe space to learn.
Remember, making mistakes is part of learning.
Don't be afraid.
Just listen
Learn.
and practice.
All right, let's get started. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
So now that we're relaxed, let's talk about something important.
Yes, let's dive into it.
Why is introducing yourself so important in the first place?
Yes, that's a good question.
Many people think it's just a few sentences.
Why does it matter so much?
But the truth is, your introduction is often your first impression.
Exactly.
It's usually the first time someone hears your voice
Your English.
and your confidence.
And first impressions stay in people's minds for a long time.
Right.
Whether it's a classroom,
A job interview,
a meeting,
or even a casual situation.
first impressions really matter.
Let's imagine a simple situation.
You meet someone new.
And they ask, "Can you introduce yourself?"
At that moment, many people feel nervous,
Their heart beats faster.
and their mind goes blank.
They know English.
But suddenly, the words disappear.
And that's not because they're bad at English.
No, not at all.
It's because they're not confident about how to start.
Yes,
They don't have a clear idea of what to say first.
and what to say next.
A good introduction helps you feel in control.
When you know what to say, your confidence automatically increases.
And confidence changes everything.
People listen to you more carefully,
They feel comfortable talking to you.
and you feel comfortable too,
It creates a positive connection.
from the very beginning.
Another important thing is that a good introduction doesn't mean a long introduction.
Yes, that's a big mistake people make.
They think confidence means saying a lot,
Talking for a long time,
giving too many details.
giving too many details.
But actually, confidence means saying simple things clearly.
Even a short introduction can sound confident,
If your voice is calm,
and your words are clear.
that's all you need.
Think about daily life situations,
At a new job,
in a class,
in a meeting.
or even when you meet a friend of a friend.
In all these situations, you need to introduce yourself.
And every time you introduce yourself well, your confidence grows.
It's like practice.
The more you do it, the easier it becomes.
Each time gets better than the last.
So don't think of introduction as something scary.
Think of it as your first opportunity to speak.
An opportunity to show who you are.
Not perfect English,
Just real English.
your authentic self.
Remember, people appreciate honesty more than perfection.
They want to connect with you, not judge you.
When you speak with confidence, even if you make small mistakes, people still respect you.
Because they can see you're trying.
And that matters more than anything.
So take a deep breath before you introduce yourself.
Smile if you can.
And remember why you're doing this.
You're building connections.
You're opening doors.
You're showing the world who you are.
In the next chapter, we'll talk about the common mistakes people make while introducing themselves.
And once you know those mistakes, avoiding them becomes very easy,
So stay with us.
because the best part is coming next.
All right, so we have the formula.
Now, let's see how it works in a real conversation.
Yes, let's do that.
I'll be the person you're meeting for the first time.
Perfect.
Okay, let me start.
Go ahead.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is Alex.
Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you too. I'm Alex.
So, Alex, what do you do?
I'm a software developer. I work for a tech company here in the city. How about you?
Oh, that's interesting. I'm a teacher. I teach English at a local school.
That's great. So you must really enjoy helping people learn.
Yes, absolutely. It's very rewarding. So, Alex, are you from this city?
Actually, no. I'm from a smaller town, but I moved here for work about 2 years ago. I really like it here so far.
That's wonderful. Well, it was really nice talking to you, Alex.
You too, Sarah. Hope to see you again.
Okay, let's stop there.
Did you notice how simple that was?
Yes, let's break it down.
I used the exact formula we just learned.
Step 1, name.
I'm Alex.
Step 2, what I do.
I'm a software developer.
Step 3, one extra line.
I work for a tech company here in the city.
That's a slight natural extension.
Exactly.
It wasn't a monologue.
It was a conversation.
After the introduction, we asked simple follow-up questions.
Like, how about you? And are you from this city?
Those questions are very important.
They keep the conversation flowing naturally.
You don't have to say everything about yourself in the first 10 seconds.
Right. The goal of an introduction is to start a conversation.
Not to end it.
Now, let's swap roles.
This time, you start, and I'll introduce myself.
All right, let's imagine a different situation.
Maybe we're at a friend's party.
Okay, here I go. Hello. I don't think we've met before. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. So what brings you here tonight?
Oh, I'm friends with the host, Maya. We used to study together. How do you know Maya?
We work at the same company. She's a great colleague.
That's nice. Well, it's a lovely party.
It really is.
See?
Same formula, slightly different words.
The situation felt casual.
So my tone was a bit more relaxed.
And that's the key.
Adjust your tone to the situation.
But keep the structure.
In a job interview, your extra line might be different.
I'm excited to be here for this interview.
With a friend of a friend, it could be different too.
It's great to finally meet you.
The structure is your anchor.
It keeps you from getting lost,
It gives you confidence.
even in unexpected situations.
Now, we want you to practice.
In the next chapter, we'll give you a moment.
To pause the audio.
And introduce yourself out loud.
But before that, just listen to this conversation one more time.
Notice the pace
The clarity,
and the simple questions,
how natural it sounds.
how easy it flows.
That's what you're aiming for.
Ready to practice?
Let's continue.
Now you've heard the formula in action.
But there's one more secret to a confident introduction,
It's not just what you say.
but how you say it.
Your voice and your attitude make a huge difference.
Absolutely. Let's talk about the first point, your voice.
A calm voice is calm and clear,
It's not too loud,
and not too soft.
just right in the middle.
A good trick is to take one gentle breath before you start speaking,
This simple pause calms your nerves.
and gives you a moment to think.
It's like hitting a reset button.
Right.
So instead of rushing, "Hi, my name is Sarah, I'm a teacher, nice to meet you,"
You pause,
breathe.
and then speak.
"Hi, my name is Sarah, I'm a teacher, nice to meet you."
Hear the difference?
The second one sounds much more confident.
Even though the words are exactly the same.
It's all about delivery.
The second point is your pace.
Speak slowly enough so that each word is clear.
When you're nervous, you tend to speak fast.
So consciously try to slow down a little.
Not too much.
You don't have to be too slow.
Just find a natural, comfortable speed.
Practice by recording yourself on your phone.
It helps a lot.
You can hear exactly how you sound.
And adjust accordingly.
Now, the third point is attitude.
And this is very important.
Your attitude is your mindset before you even start speaking.
It's what's happening in your head.
Instead of thinking, "I hope I don't make a mistake,"
Try thinking, I'm going to share my name and connect with this person.
that small shift changes everything.
It turns a scary test into a simple human moment.
It removes the pressure.
Also, remember that the person you're talking to is just a person.
They probably want the conversation to go well too.
They're not judging you.
They're just meeting you.
One more powerful tip, smile while you speak.
Even on a phone call or in an audio setting.
A smile changes the tone of your voice.
It makes your voice sound warmer
Friendlier.
and more confident.
Try it.
Say hello without smiling.
And then say hello with a smile.
You can feel the difference.
Your listeners can hear it too.
So, to summarize the confidence formula,
Number 1, breathe before you speak.
Number 2, keep your voice calm and clear.
Number 3, smile to warm up your tone.
Number 4, your attitude is about connecting, not performing.
These are not English rules,
These are confidence rules,
and they work in any language.
even in your native language.
Confidence is universal.
It's not about being perfect,
It's about being present,
being real.
being yourself.
Now, it's your turn to put it all together.
In the next chapter, we'll pause.
And you'll get to practice your own confident introduction with us,
We'll guide you through it.
step by step.
Are you ready?
Let's go practice.
Okay, now it's your time to speak.
This is the most important part of this episode.
Yes.
We've talked, you've listened.
Now you will practice,
And remember, practice is what builds real confidence,
not just listening,
not just understanding.
but actually speaking.
We're going to do a simple exercise together,
I'll guide you through it.
step by step.
Are you ready?
Before we start, find a place where you can speak out loud for a moment,
It's okay if it's just a whisper.
but say the words.
Don't just think them.
Actually speak them.
Great.
Let's begin. First, we'll set the scene.
Imagine you're meeting me, your host, for the first time.
Maybe after this podcast episode.
I'm smiling and waiting to hear from you.
I'm friendly.
I'm supportive.
You have the formula in your mind.
Number 1, your name.
Number 2, what you do or who you are.
Number 3, one extra simple line.
I'll give you a moment to think.
What will you say?
Think about it now.
All right.
Now, I want you to pause this audio.
Yes, pause the audio right now.
Don't worry, we'll be right here when you come back.
After you pause, take a gentle breath
Smile if you can.
and introduce yourself.
Say it out loud.
Just once.
You can say it to your screen
To the mirror.
or just to yourself.
The key is to speak.
We'll wait for you. Welcome back. How did it feel?
Whether it felt easy or a little awkward, you did it.
And that is a success.
You took action.
You practiced.
That's what matters most.
Let's do one more together.
Without pausing this time.
I'll speak slowly, and you repeat after me.
You can just whisper if you want.
Here we go. Repeat after me. Hello.
My name is, and say your name.
I am and say what you do.
Student, designer, teacher, whatever it is.
It's nice to meet you.
Excellent.
You just introduced yourself confidently in English.
That feeling, that's the beginning of your confidence.
Save this feeling.
Remember it.
This is what confidence feels like.
It's not perfect.
It's not scary.
It's just you speaking clearly.
You can come back to this chapter anytime.
And practice this again.
Each time it will feel a little easier.
A little more natural.
That's how skills are built.
Little by little.
Practice by practice.
And now for our final chapter.
We'll leave you with some motivation
And important closing thoughts.
to help you on your journey.
You're doing great.
Let's finish strong. You did it.
You started, you learned, and you practiced.
That is something to be proud of.
Really proud of.
Remember how we started this episode?
We talked about that nervous feeling,
That fear of making a mistake.
that worry about what people might think.
But now you have a simple formula,
You have a calm voice,
and you have the experience of doing it.
even if it was just with us.
That's still real practice.
This is how confidence grows,
Not by being perfect,
but by taking small, brave steps.
one step at a time.
Let's remember the 3 biggest lessons from today.
First, keep your introduction simple.
Name, what you do, 1 extra line.
That's all you need.
Second, your voice matters.
Speak calmly
Clearly.
and with a smile.
And third, your attitude is everything.
See it as a connection, not a test,
You're meeting a person.
not taking an exam.
If you forget anything else, just remember this.
The goal is to communicate, not to impress.
People will remember your confidence and your smile.
Much more than a single grammar mistake.
Much more.
So from now on, every time you meet someone new,
See it as a small practice opportunity.
each time it will get a little easier.
More natural.
And if you feel nervous again, that's completely normal.
Even the most fluent speakers feel it sometimes.
Native speakers too.
Just take that one breath.
And begin.
We believe in your journey.
Learning English is not just about words.
It's about gaining the confidence to share your voice with the world,
To express who you are.
to connect with others.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
It was a pleasure to have this conversation with you.
A real pleasure.
If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful,
Please let us know.
you can like this video
Subscribe to our channel.
and turn on notifications.
That little support helps us create more helpful content for you.